Where is my moon? At December 21. December 21. And the azimuth is 65. Let's see if we can model that up. Let me see. That was about 65. Just like what it say here. Now let's put another location to pinpoint the moon. Let's use this one. This is an hour time difference, time zone. +1, +2. Here's 1630. 1730, and the moon angle is 68 about. Let me zoom out. Let's add a location here. About 68. 68 and a little bit. So I have to put this moon here. How about that? It's not here. According to the data, it's here. Look at that. Let's add another location. This one. Somalia on the tip here, and this +3 hour, so we move another hour up. Of course, this is 2 hours more compared to this area, so this one have one of 74. Let me see. Somalia. It must be about here. Let's line Somalia up. Let's add a compass for the direction. It's now lined up with the north. What was the angle? 74. It's about 74. Zoom zoom out and see where this line go. This one go here, so before the moon was on this angle, and now this spot say the moon is here. And there cannot be much error, because the moon moves here with a couple of degrees per hour only. Let's move an hour further. This is now 74, 1830. We go to 1930. It's now 73. So that's 1 degree in an hour on this, so there cannot be much error in this. So let's add another location. This is 0 time zone. So we move up here all the time. Let me see. 1530, and the angle is 58. Let's add a compass. That was 58. North is always pointed to the north on this map, of course. 58. So you see all those angles. Where is the moon? Where is the moon? I have 3 points here. This is totally wrong. How does this work? You cannot be much off and have this angle. Where is it? What the fuck? So when I use those two areas to spot my moon, I come here, and when I do it with those two, my moon is here. For the people here and here, the moon is here. Can you believe this shit? What do we see if we move 180 degrees to the other side? 12 hours later, or earlier, whatever. Yeah, this is on the other side. You can see this on this latitude and longitude, exactly on the other side. From here to here. Let me see. Let's add some compasses and pointers here. I already set the angles. That is 290. Let's zoom in a little bit. about 290. Or a tiny bit off, but I'm not going to adjust that. Because it's going more to the outside. That's a disadvantage for the circling sun and moon worshippers. So, how do we do this? Is the moon here? Or here, or here, or here? Where is it? Why nobody else modeled this up? This azimuth works when there is a single moon from a single place. But when you put the data together, then all things are wrong. This moon comes from here, travels straight on. I will show you later. It's a straight path. And how do we model this on a ball Earth? With a top view or a bottom view? It would be logic on the circling sun model. The sun and the moon have one the same speed, you know, continuous speed, but don't change. But if you move the slider around, and at some points it goes 1 degree an hour, and at some points it goes 10. Here, for example, 1904. From 1900, that's 74 it says. Let's move an hour. 74 to 8 o'clock. That's only 1 or 2 degrees. But when we move it here, then we can see 10 degrees, 20 degrees. Why is that? Did the moon suddenly speed up here? Let's see, from 11 to 12, when it's out of sight, of course. They can do everything because the people don't see the moon here, because the moon really disappears for this area, so they can do everything to glue this ball together, or this circling moon and sun. Okay, from 11 I have 21 azimuth. To 12, that's 20 degrees in an hour. So here I have 1 degree in an hour, and here I have 20 degrees in an hour. What we have here? 7, 301, 3012. That's 11 degrees. But we have more. 4 o'clock, and the amount of degrees is 287 to 5 o'clock. That's about 2. So the moon that circles around the Earth have different speeds. Why it speed up here? If the moon circles with 1 degree an hour, it would take 360 hours, you understand, instead of 24 hours. This bullshit is totally wrong. Yeah, when the moon is on the other side, they do all kinds of tricks. Look at this. Here, in 1 hour, it suddenly jumps with 130 degrees. In 1 hour, can you believe that shit? So let's move to the other side where the people can see the moon. I bet between this timeline here that the moon don't travel this fast. Let me see. What time was this? So here it travels only with a couple of degrees per hour. Look at this. This is the same moment. Then on the other side, this is on the same moment. Here it's speed up, lightning speed. Here they try to glue the ball together. Yeah, this debunks that whole fucking ball again. And here again on this magic time zone line. You see that? How they try to glue it together, it have to speed up here. Otherwise it cannot make the 360 circle with this speed. So they have to adjust it when it's out of sight for this area, and when it come up then everything is alright again. This is how they do it. Speeding moon, look at this. That's idiot. What the fuck? In 3 hours it's 160 degrees. So it would be logic to have 160 degrees in 3 hours here also. But we don't see that. It's like 12 degrees, 20 degrees. Look at that shit. Piece of garbage. This is how they do it, people. Make the world go round. The moon don't make circles. The moon in your area disappears and come up the next day, just like the sun. I will do this with the sun also. Piece of shit.